Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to limit your iPhone charging to 80% to help reduce battery aging and improve your battery's long-term health. This feature is quick to set up, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Battery. Next, tap Charging. On this screen, you'll find the Charge Limit option. Simply select 80% as your charging limit. Once enabled, your iPhone will stop charging when it reaches 80%, helping reduce battery wear caused by keeping the battery fully charged for long periods. Depending on your iPhone model and iOS version, you may also see optimized battery charging. If your device supports a manual charge limit, you can choose the 80% charge limit option instead of relying only on optimized battery charging. And that's it. Your iPhone will now limit charging to 80%, helping extend the lifespan of your battery over time. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.